What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're in Memphis. And the reason we're in Memphis is we're going down to see my buddy Jennings, because he's got a couple of cars I need to take a look at. Yeah, guys, headed down to Jennings' shop, little dealership, and he's got some very primo notchbacks. And get in here and see what he's got working inside. Alright guys, and I have not been here for quite a while. Oh yeah, I can already see right there. Now I haven't been here for a while and see the man himself. What's up, dude? Burning up out there. Now you guys know Jenny. He's got the Viper Blue, the
Super Snake
swap.
The
Super Snake swap. Sorry, I've been driving. Head's not right. But every time you call and say I need to come down,
you know I'm not going to disappoint.
You know you're not going to disappoint. So we're just going to dive right in. And guys, I'm going to blow your mind a little bit here. 93, 68,000 miles?
Yep.
68,000 miles. Now this is an early, this car was probably put together mid 90s.
I would imagine with the vintage parks.
Yeah, it's got the TFS heads that don't say TFS. That's number one. GT40 intake, and then guys, the Venturi design mass air induction, guys, that is like 92, 93 Ford Motorsport intake tube, dude. Yeah, and these are recent additions. It's got the whole SVE Cobra brakes.
Yep.
And those are the GT350 reps.
Yep, they look very good.
I've never seen them on a Fox, dude. I mean,
it's got the 13-inch rotors and the SVE brakes.
Yep, whole kit from LMR.
And then it has the mint black interior.
Oh yeah. All right, I hope you guys are ready for this. Oh man. Yeah. This is not TMI upholstery, guys. That's original. Man. And what about the ashtray door?
Yeah, I haven't tried it. Should work.
We need to try that. We gotta try the ashtray door. Look at that.
Look at that.
No friggin' way. Dude, this interior is insane. Even the leather on the steering wheel. Man. Yeah, guys, that's how you tell low mile. You look at the seat bolsters, you look at the fabric itself, the carpet, the pedal pads.
Usually the sides right here will have some cracking.
Right. and some idiot did put something in there, but other than that, the matte pockets are perfect.
Yeah, they look pretty good. Probably the best I've seen in one.
Yeah, we'll get those back right.
Yeah, the driver's seat looks just as good. It's awesome.
Yeah, let's go check out the driver. Hold on. I forgot the quarter glasses. And this is the same color code. This is EP as my car.
Yep.
Man, amazing. Yeah, there's the driver's seat, guys. Look at the bolster there. Leather on the steering wheel. This is what everybody wants. This is it right here.
I know, that's why
especially
I had to
with the
have it.
black.
I know, man. When I seen it, I had to have it.
All right, so let's see how the door shut. Oh, hold on. And perfect.
Yeah, it shuts easy. This car rides and drives so good.
So it's good like a Tremec trans, maximum motorsport suspension, all that.
Built rear end, long tube headers. Like I said, the 13-inch rotors and SVE brakes.
Yeah.
The new SVE wheels.
So it's got some go, but it's still
Cold AC system.
Yes.
AC is cold in this car.
gotta have it. You just swapped out, put the
Yeah, I put those in. They
headlights
had some ugly headlights. If somebody on the Foxcast would like to have, we'll give them away.
We'll ship on your dime. We'll ship them.
Yeah, we'll ship them.
Oh yeah, I think we've got like, guys, I know a lot of you probably have these, but we've got like 5 sets of those because we can't.
I told him he
stand
could have a 5th set.
We need something to put in the burn barrel, right? Yeah, guys, it's just, I mean, this is amazing. Like, you can look at the emblems and just, man, this is why my car's got to get paint really quick.
It has a wide band and stuff I still have to install. It came with it.
Very nice.
That's all the receipts on everything and the Ford book. And
all the original books.
Yeah. Still has the sticker here.
Man.
Still has all the bin tags in the trunk and the.
Yeah, we saw them up front,
Yep.
and of course you got them.
Well, here's one.
Yeah, there's
one, and then there's one in that car.
And you can tell this car has never sat outside because even all the run channels and everything are. Ooh.
Yeah, he said he had to retouch up the rear bumper before. That's the only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that.
Yeah. All things considered,
Yeah.
doesn't bother me one bit. All right, so if your mind hasn't been pretty much blown, then we're gonna get over to some Calypso action. Jeremy, this is a 93 too, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
93.
And of course, you know, my favorite all-time wheels.
Can't beat a chrome pony on a.
I'm telling you, I still miss. I still think about buying another set of high lug to put back on the red car.
Those are brand new from Illimark tires. I've had.
Oh, that's right.
I've had those.
That's got tires too, doesn't it?
They're already mounted and balanced.
Yeah, well, we need to talk later. So what's the miles on this thing?
This one is 56,000.
Yeah, look at your matte pockets here, boys.
56,385.
Wow. And again, you can tell by the driver's seat. I mean, just look at the freaking just look back here. Still got the factory radio.
Oh, it's got the
Mini
cat,
shift
the factory
knob.
Ford muffler.
I believe that's the LMR steering wheel. You can tell it's got fresh leather on it.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. This thing is minty. Whew.
Yeah, it's all stock.
Peek up under the hood. Oh yes, very nice. Factory headers still on it. Factory smog still there. Nice little touch right there. I definitely dig that. A little bit of Calypso in the.
Yeah, and the paint, or I mean, in the sunshine, this paint is just.
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean,
Yeah.
man, that's amazing. So yeah, smog pump still there. Bone stock. Wow. Have you drove this at all?
Oh yeah, I drove it. It's
drove
just,
pretty good.
It's not even loud. You wouldn't even.
Yeah,
it's not
stock
like I
exhaust.
used to hear Mustangs with exhaust. To hear one stock with the cats and the Ford mufflers, it's just.
Ooh. As you can see, it's not for sale.
Yeah.
Right?
Neither one of them are. They're gonna stay in my personal collection.
Let's shut this door. Oh yeah. Man, the Pony R's though, dude. You know you're killing me with these Pony R's. Yeah, let's come around here. You look at the driver's seat. Freaking beautiful.
take that. I was trying not to get the
Yeah,
factory format
you
dirty.
gotta keep them clean. Yep. Very nice. All the jams and everything. Quarters are great. Yeah, definitely a keeper, man.
Oh yeah. Can't beat a clip so
No.
hard for red.
No. And you'll probably beat me to it, but I'm looking for the Reef Blue. That's my unicorn.
Oh yeah, that one and a white with black interior and a black on black. Everybody wants
That'd
that.
be nice. Oh yeah, yeah.
So if anybody has one that's in mint condition for sale, hit me up.
All right, guys. So there you go. Pretty much. Hope that was as good for you as it was for me. Was it good for you too?
Oh yeah, man. It's all
There's a lot of innuendo there, but you know, guys. You know, I know when Jennings tells me I gotta come down, I gotta come down. So definitely for some sick rides right here. And as he said, not for sale.
yeah.
So
That's my personal collection.
well, you don't ever know though. I mean, somebody showed up for 50 grand. Maybe not even 50.
No, I wouldn't sell them. I got plenty of money.
Yeah, you can't find these cars either. That's the thing. There's Cobras out there. There's Celine's out there. The notchbacks.
Yeah. That's my favorite.
Yes.
The notchback is hands down my favorite car.
Especially with the tweed interior. I mean, these are the cream of the crop. The 91, 92, 93 cars with the sport interior. Hard to find. Almost impossible.
Yeah.
But
I got lucky.
dude, good seeing you again. And we'll be back with the Viper car, full video with the front end on it, and gonna take it down the road and
Do
beat
some
on that.
burnouts, yeah, we'll see what it'll do.
We gotta roll some gears. So all right, guys, that's pretty much what I got for you. Hope you enjoyed this video, because I did. And whoa, it's dark in here. I'm over in the dark corner. All right, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I got. And if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.